Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here with another tutorial introducing the stationery, Staedtler pencil, Dome's eraser and the Posca pen for the outline. These are the stationery I'll be using today, and also introducing the Staedtler Luna color pencils that I'll be using for the coloring. So here is the colors that I'll be using. So the links for all these products is available in the description. You can just go and check there and order them in case if you want. Today I'll be making the drawing of a hair dryer. So here we start with the drawing. First I'll be making one oval in the front. This is the front of the dryer, and inside it I'll be making another oval. So basically doubling the oval line. Now from the center I'll be making one sleeping line, and from the top of the oval I'll start with the slanting line, bit curved and again coming down. The same way, slanting line, bit curved and going up. Again I'll be joining this at the end with a curved line. After that I'll be drawing one slanting line at the bottom for the handle. So this is the basic structure for the hair dryer. Now I'll be starting the outline. So I'm making a sleeping line, two standing lines and another sleeping line, just like a rectangle. Then a curved line to show the curvedness of the dryer, the roundness of the dryer. Now another line coming down to the slanting line that I drew, making one oval, two sleeping lines, another curve, another oval, two sleeping lines and a curve, one more oval, another two sleeping lines and a curve. These are the buttons, and joining them all with the slanting line, just outlining the slanting line that I drew with the pencil. Now outlining the oval in the front, I am just outlining the pencil lines. Now making a net pattern, slanting lines on one side. There will not be a lot of gap between the slanting lines. All the lines are in the same direction, and after this starting another set of slanting lines in the opposite direction to make it look like a net. So this is the front of the hair dryer. Now outlining the pencil lines again to give the final drawing. So here we have got the top part of the dryer. Now adding two more curved lines, just a design of the dryer, and then making the handle, making a slanting line, a bit curved at the bottom while coming down, joining it with the another slanting line to the bottom line, then going up. Now making one more slanting line and a little curvy line downside. Now making the wire. Now I'll be adding one more line to show the width of the handle, so it's the same line as the one done before. So we are done with the drawing of the dryer. It is not difficult, it is very easy. Just follow the lines. All the lines are very easy. Just do it step by step. Once we are done with the drawing, we are just erasing the pencil lines, all the lines that we made just for our help and are not part of our final drawing. So we are just erasing those lines. I hope you are enjoying the video and finding it very easy to draw. Do let me know in the comment section about this video, and also you can just let me know what you want me to draw in the next tutorial. Anything specific you want to learn, you can just drop me a comment. Now starting with the dark purple color, we are doing a darker shade here to show the depth, basically the inside part of the dryer. Now doing the other colors, you can do the same colors if you want, or you can do colors of your own choice, that is up to you. So just color it in one direction and do not leave the spaces when you are doing the coloring to get the smooth texture. So we are almost done with the coloring part also. Do like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for the daily notifications. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.